Alright, it's a continuation here. Cleaning my filter on my Tyent AC11 because stinks. See, she still stinks. Cleaning notice, and this is, hopefully this will go away. I get constant cleaning notices. And now, okay, of course it's under washing. Okay, we're under washing. Okay, now we're gonna, I already smell it. Ah, man. Woo! Man, I don't even have to check it in the water. It's reeking. It is reeking. Woo! Okay, water supply suspended. Let's open her up. Wow. Yes, we will. Okay, we want second filter. It says upside down here. Okay, run unit on H2O only for 5 minutes. And then stop. Leave machine for 3 hours without any operating. After 3 hours, separation the Tyent cleaning filter and connection and reconnection of your second filter you uninstalled. Run unit on H2O cycle for 5 minutes to wash the filters inside with clean water, and then check the pH. So that's what we're going to do. So this one comes out, pull this out, and then I can't remember, you got to twist it, right? Install, uninstall, twist right out. There we go. Wow. Drain that out of there. Alright. Yeah, don't hold much water. Alright, there we go. I'm going to put the new filter in. And this is a permanent cleaning because you can use it several times. I'm not sure how many times, but you can use it a couple times. Sure those are the same. Yes, they are. Okay, we're going to line this up. Okay. That's all there was to it. Alright. She's now in there. No. I can lick it. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Slight overflow here. Alright. Yeah, make sure your overflow is over here. What the heck is going on? Crap. Hello. Put that on the floor. Okay, we're at that point. My cap. Let's put the cap back on here. Alright, keep that covered. Alright. Okay. So that is a water placement filter. Okay, we'll put it back on. Now we're going to run this for 5 minutes. We can watch it. Please exchange filters. Alright. So 5 minutes. It counts down from 14 minutes. Water's going through the second filter first, I think. And then it goes through your primary filter. So we gotta wait. I'll shut it down at 9 minutes. Yeah, it's definitely got a different smell to it now. Yeah. So I'll let that run. Yeah, so we're gonna run until it shows 10 minutes. Okay, we're letting that run till it says 9. It's got a cleaner water smell to it too. Sweet. Excuse me. Then we gotta let it set for 3 hours. Or at least 3 hours, I should say. Because I'll definitely do. But that's a nice thing about this water system. I got it up here in the bathroom, so it's out of everybody's way. And I mix it with Gatorade, and I mix it with another hydrate, and I also just straight water. I put it in the old Gatorade bottles and stick it in the freezer, and I've always got clean water. And this is the H2O, so it's filtered down to 0.003, I think, or whatever kidney dialysis systems do their filtration. And you got all your alkaline and all your acidic settings. Acidic for cleaning and alkaline for health, drinking needs. So they say, well, if you drink too much alkaline, you need acidic in your body. But if you watch what you drink, you're drinking healthy water. This water comes out of the well, my well. It goes through a filtration, a filtration system. I don't have the hard water system going. And then, well, basically it's a house filter. And then I have an osmosis system, which is definitely separate from this. And then the filters in the refrigerator. So we're getting close. We're at 10:1. All right, I'm bringing it down to 7 minutes. So it'll be a total of total of 7 minutes of runtime here, instead of the 5. So I'll just make sure it's set. So we'll go ahead and shut her down. I don't know. It's clean. I don't smell any more. Sulfur smell. So I don't know. It's either a bleach or maybe a chlorine system. So there we go. Water supply is suspended. All right. Now we'll sit. We'll wait at least 3 hours for it, and I'll go ahead and put number 2 back in it. Please exchange filters. And we will see. And we'll see if it has done its job. All right, we are back. It is 6:30. We did this at 3. So we have replaced. We've gone ahead and filtered it, changed it, and taking this out now. And we're going to put in the other one. Okay. Once we drain it, drain the water back out of it. Now I don't know how long this filter lasts after you I don't know if I'm dumping the whatever's in it out to filter it. I'm gonna put that back on. Okay. Okay. We'll put you back in. No, you ain't. You ain't in the right. Let's see. You gotta go in there. Refill. Okay, there we go. Alright, you're in there now. Okay, now instruction says to run till CO2. Run it on CO2 cycle for 5 minutes to wash filter inside with clean water. So that will be, we're starting over again. And then 5 minutes.
Please exchange filter.
And it starts at 15. It starts at 15 minutes. It has a 15-minute timer. No, it's probably the old. We'll try it. Run for 5 minutes. It'll be 10. Time it's done. Okay. Because of course that filter there had the that smell in it. You smell really good right now. Okay, so there we go. 5 minutes. Okay, we're back, and it's been 5 minutes now. Yeah, and it smells good. Yeah, it definitely does. Beautiful. I like it. Smells really good. It smells really good too. Awesome. Well, there you go. We did it. We cleaned. They cleaned it, and
Please exchange filters.
now it smells. Yeah, no, we're gonna do that now. So we are good. I got to figure out how that works, and then so all right. So if your system's smelling like raw eggs, you probably got heavy contamination of something or other from your well, or if you're getting it from the city or town. So that's how you take care of it. You put a cleaning filter in it and run it for, like I said, run it for 5 minutes. Let it set for 3 hours, and then replace it with your original filter and let it run for 5 minutes, and you should be good. So we're back to normal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And if you want one of these systems, just hit up my website and we can chat. And you'll catch me on the next. It's all about the water.